Welcome back to our channel. It's day 3 on our Virgin Voyages cruise. Yesterday was a whole vibe. Scarlet Night came through, and let me tell you, it put my husband down for the count. He's still sleeping this morning while I'm up bright and early as usual. I'm going to walk off some of these calories from all the fun we had and grab a little yogurt, and then I'll go ahead and get dressed and I'll head out to the pool for some chill time, see what's going on, and then I'll probably join my husband for a quick nap. Got to get back on pace because tonight's going to be a good one. Okay, y'all, so we got dinner at Gumbay tonight. This is Virgin Voyages Korean barbecue spot. It's all about good food, good vibes, good fun. They cook everything right at your table, and then there's a little friendly competition game. We met some really cool people that were sitting at our table from Philly. If y'all are watching this, what's up, y'all? So I'll show you around the restaurant so you can see what makes it a must visit on this ship. And of course, I'll bring you along for the food and the action because this place is fire. We had a great time.
Nice water. Alright, so while waiting for your small bites, we're gonna be playing the same game. So it's called 3, 6, and 9. Alright, so we will count one by one, one each number, continuously. If the number has 3, 6, and 9, so you do, and instead of saying 3, she will clap.
Okay.
And then 4, 5, just 4, 5, and then instead of saying 6, she will clap.
Oh, okay. So you just clap
7.
So basically you clap
On numbers that has 3, 6, and 9.
Yeah.
If that number falls on you. Right?
So wherever
7, 8,
don't play.
you take the first shot. If you clap at the wrong number or say the wrong number, then you have to take the whole shot.
Okay. I got you. Yes, you were. Oh my God. I ain't had nothing to drink today, so
We'll take the shot. They will take the shot. Don't worry.
You never had.
We'll take the shot. They'll take the shot.
I still have some of that.
You have 2 shots.
Yes, I know.
So what 3 was this one? 3? No, you say, because you just in the heat of it. 7, 8, 9.
Because you
So
just being
3,
in the
6,
heat of
and
it.
9. Yeah, clap.
No, but
You got it?
I'm agreeing.
Yeah, no, I'm recording. You just get it for me.
You got to see that. You want that? I definitely.
Let me get another bottle, guys. I'm going to be playing with you.
But you want to say 1, 2, 3, like a
Now you got to clap after 3.
If 3, 6, and 9, you got
Is he
clap.
gonna
I'm playing, guys.
Okay.
Alright, so any numbers with 3, 6, and 9, so that means 13, 16, 19, 23, 26, and 27. Yeah,
It's not 19.
19. He has 9.
So what do you do with a 3, 6, and 9?
Anything with 3, 6, and 9. Alright?
I thought you said 19.
If ever we reach 30, so from 30 to 39, so all the numbers are 3 in it, right?
Yeah.
So that means from 30 to 39, you only clap on each number without saying anything. So you have to keep track of the numbers. Right? And then you have to count them all. Ready? Do you want to practice, guys?
No. Let's do it.
Let's do it? Alright, 33 has 2 number 3s. So you have to
Clap
drink twice. No, clap twice. Right? 36 and 39, you also have to clap twice. Practice, guys. No practice? Amazing. I like it. Let's do it, guys. Alright, so now we play now we play the actual game. We'll do it faster. If you hesitate, you also take the time. Y'all know the rules, right? Y'all know the rules?
You going right or left? What do you do?
Yeah, we'll start at 1. Alright. Since y'all know the rules, alright, so first one who make mistake, 2 shots. Alright.
No, it's 1 shot, right?
2 shots for the first one who make mistake. Alright, you guys ready? If you want to film, you can film it. But if you need to clap, you just tap the table.
Yes.
It's considered. You
Okay.
guys ready?
Alright,
Gambe means cheers or bottoms up. Ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. Start. 1, 2,
4,
5,
7, 8,
10.
No clapping at 10. Gambe, 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 gambe. And the first one who make mistake what? Tisha. There you go. Gambe, gambe. You can take it. There you go. Gambe, 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 gambe. Amazing. Alright. So that's the practice round. Now elimination, guys. Elimination. Alright, ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 11. 12.
18.
20. 21. 22. No! Gambe, 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 gambe. There you go. Alright. So now we skip her. Alright, ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 17. 18. No.
Damn.
Gambe, 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 He says I'm doing. Ready? So now they're out. Ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 14. 18.
20.
22. 21.
Oh, she's out.
She's out. Gambe, gambe, gambe. Gambe, gambe, gambe.
So
Two
he out
shots,
now?
2 shots. There you go.
So he out?
Yeah, they're out now.
So all 3 out.
Ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 27.
28.
No. Gambe, 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 gambe. Nice one. Alright. So now they're out of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 24.
26.
No, 25. 25. Gambe, 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 gambe. So now, we out quick as hell. Ready? Let's start. Gambe, 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 gambe. 17. 18. 21. 25. Alright, so now I'm going to let you guys say one number. Alright, do it faster. Ready? Let's say gambe, 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 gambe. 21. 22. No. Gambe, 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 gambe. And cheers to the winner. The winner who got green. Winner gets another shot. We got double shot. We can give it to the people. Nice one, guys.
So this is our second time doing gumbe on Virgin Voyages. We did it on a Scarlet Lady. The food is always good and we have a good time. And after we did gumbe, we headed to watch the band play for a little while. So the band was live. We got some chill music and some cocktails before we headed to the manor. Okay, listen. So this in the manor, I think that's where things got a little crazy. My husband always keeps it together, but tonight we might have overdone it a little bit. But hey, that's what happens when you get free sailor loot to spend. So if you're on a Virgin Voyages cruise, make sure you book your next cruise to get more sailor loot. And if you book with us, we'll add some on top of that.
Hate them. Hate them.
So we just came back from the Manor. Listen, the drinks were flowing in the Manor, and I think that's where things were left for my husband. Bless his heart.
Oh yeah, what's going on, y'all? Travelism Travel Group.
You done had too much to drink. What we gonna do?
Vibrant lady. We after the club, but look though, this the after party. So come on, let me show you what they got going on over here. Y'all know what's going on. See, my wife, she don't like to get in front of the camera because she's too shy. I'm a country boy. I'm gonna show y'all know what's going. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. You feel me? Come on. They got this shit on ice. You feel me? They got this shit on ice. So, come on, yeah. You see me right here?
I got you.
They got this shit on ice. You feel me? So, you know, about to turn up. Ain't nobody down here yet. The party about to go on or whatever. So keep going. Let's go. Come on. Show them the after party area. Now remember, it's 2 in the morning. They still at the club. You go to section after party, everything on ice. Y'all know what's going on. Travelism Travel Group. Yeah.
Listen, who's gonna tell him ain't nobody at the after party he's talking about? But anyway, we're gonna give y'all a tour, a mini tour that is, on our way to the pizza place to get some pizza for the night.
Y'all see what's going on. The Moet Sean done. You know, real talk. Y'all see what's going on. The Vibrant lady. Virgin Voyages. Man, just too much. It's too much alcohol on the.
As y'all can see, the Virgin Voyages has a beautiful ship. We love the ship. The Scarlet Lady is an exact replica of the ship. And it's just a beautiful ship. And I wanted to let y'all know, I feel like hands down that the pizza place where we're headed is the best pizza on any cruise ship.
I'm about to hit the pizza joint. You know, it's late night. Had about 10 margaritas.
No.
Man, we hitting you see what's saying, pizza place, finna get some of that pizza and shit, you know, follow me, come on, what's going on. Thank God that the line is not long tonight. You feel me? Look at this shit, you walking right in, getting a beer and pizza.
You done had.
You know, excuse me, y'all, I've been having a little too much to drink, but it's all good though. It's all gravy. I'm trying to let y'all know what's going on the boat. We straight turn up. Look at this right here. Turn up action going on right here. Look at that. It's turn up action everywhere on the boat. So if you check us out, Travelism Travel Group on YouTube, Instagram, man, everywhere. We're gonna get you the hottest deals on the planet. And man, we're gonna turn the F up. For real.
What time are you going now? We're going to do that.
trying to get this pizza. And the pizza is about, just so you know, it's open all day and all day. So you get what you want. Right, babe?
Oh no, pizza's unmatched. So, you know, after the club, got a few margaritas in you. You come to the pizza place, take it back to the room. Oh no! You're going down. You feel me? They stop at the bar, get a few more drinks. And remember, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and the ship is still turned up. Facts.
I'm sorry, but your sandals are amazing. This girl is she's beautiful. Shut up, you will never look like her. Sorry. Bitch will never look as beautiful as her. I know I sparked the right.
As I was saying, y'all, the drinks were flowing that night. I met that sweet young lady. If you're watching, hey lady, hey boo. But the pizza, I don't know what they're doing to that pizza, but it's the best pizza on any cruise ship, and it's fresh, and you just have to see for yourself.
Got my motherfucking dog in the building. We still hanging, dog. Y'all still hanging? Okay, I see y'all. I see y'all. For sure. For sure. Hey, like I said, the boats don't go to sleep. People gonna be partying until 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. So, you know.
All right, y'all. So we got our pizza and we called it a night. If you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, and hit that bell for any upcoming videos we have coming up. You can contact us on all of our social media platforms at Travelism Travel. Hit our website at www.travelismtravel.com. Join us on any of our group trips. The link is in the description. If you want to come on our next Virgin Voyage, that'll also be included in our group trips. We thank you guys so much for watching, and be blessed.